Breaking news tonight. The Supreme Court has just ignited a constitutional showdown. The justices have agreed to fast-track President Trump's appeal to end birthright citizenship through executive action. The court offered no explanation, but their decision signals that a century of legal understanding may now be up for debate. For generations, the Constitution has been interpreted the same way. If you are born on American soil, you are an American. Full stop. But tonight, that principle suddenly hangs in the balance. Senior Washington correspondent Devin Dwyer explains why this moment is so significant. He calls it one of the most consequential immigration battles of the era, tied to Trump's aggressive border agenda since the day he took office. The last time the Supreme Court touched this issue, the fight was about whether lower courts could temporarily block Trump's order. The justices pushed back on nationwide injunctions, yet judges still managed to keep the policy frozen. As of now, birthright citizenship remains the law of the land. But Trump is back, demanding a decisive ruling on whether the Constitution truly guarantees this right. This challenge comes despite more than a century of precedent, affirming that anyone born in the United States is a citizen. This afternoon, the Supreme Court announced it will hear the case in the coming term and issue a final decision before the end of June. Does the court's decision to take the case hint at the outcome? Legal experts say not necessarily. Most believe the justices stepped in because the issue is simply too important, and because Trump has pushed it to the forefront again and again. Still, every federal court that has reviewed this question in recent months has reached the same conclusion. The order is unconstitutional, the order is illegal, and it stays blocked.